Hello, in this video I'm going to show you on how to do monthly process. So monthly process consists of cloning of class. In monthly cloning of class, the students will be brought forward to the next month as well as the class itself. So first of all, let's take a look on how to clone the class. So I'm going to create a situation in which there are two students which are in year 1. The first student named as Yusuf and the second student named as Amy. And both of them are registered to an English class for year 1. So this class is available in January 2016. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clone this class to next month, which is in February 2016, so that these two students will be able to be registered into that class. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to transaction icon, and then I'm going to go to clone tuition class. So this is the clone tuition class page. So this is where you're going to clone the class to the next month. So first of all, you need to select the period of the class. So I'm going to clone my January class, so I'm going to select January 2016, and I'm going to clone it to February 2016. And then the type of clone class is going to be month end. And then click clone class. So as you can see here, I managed to clone the class in the period of January to February. After we have cloned the class, the next step is to search back the class that I already cloned. So first of all, let's search for the class that I'm going to clone. So go to transaction icon and click add or edit tuition class. Click on show search form, and then the class is in January 2016, so it's already here, and click search. So this is the class that I'm going to bring forward to next month. This class name is English for Primary School, which is specifically for year 1 students. So one thing you have to know about cloning is that if you clone a class, or if you clone classes from a certain period, so for example, I'm gonna clone the classes of April 2016 to July 2016. When I do this, it means that all the classes in April 2016 will be cloned only to July 2016. The classes will not be cloned to the months in between, which are May and June. So now I already cloned the class. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to search back for the class that I've cloned. Then back to transaction and click add or edit tuition class. Click show search form. So just now I already cloned English class to February. So select February 2016 and click search. So as you can see here, the English class for year 1 is now cloned to February 2016. So I have successfully cloned the class to next month. So one thing you have to know about monthly clone is that when you clone the class, you will bring forward the class to next month as well as the active students. So in this situation, I have 2 active students, and these 2 students will be brought forward to next month class as well. So now let's see if there's any outstanding payment from the student. We go to report icon and click on accounting report and click on outstanding payment report. So I'm going to select the transaction date from 1st of January and then click preview. You may also insert the relevant data here. For example, standard, student, to filter out the result that you are looking for. Click preview. Okay, so in this report, it says here that this student named Amy has an outstanding payment of 10 USD, and it was last paid on 5th of January 2016. Okay, now going back to the report page, let's take a look at monthly report. Filter the date, and then you click preview. Okay, so this is the monthly report that we have in SimTrain. You can see the details of the report here. It says, for example, here, Amy and Yusuf. Amy has paid 40 USD instead of 50, and Yusuf has made a full payment of 50 USD. So there is an outstanding balance here of 10 USD. And that's all. After you have cloned the class and now the class is available to be registered, you may directly go to transaction icon and go to payment page. But since this is monthly cloning, the students are already registered to that class. So next step is when the student wants to make payment, you just go to this payment page and then you just create a payment for them. So let's say I'm gonna select Amy. So right here, it says here that Amy has 2 payments await. The first one is the outstanding payment from the previous month. It says here that Amy has 10 USD as the outstanding payment, and also 50 USD for the next month class. So let's say Amy would like to make a payment, so just create payment and then click pass. So the total amount that she has to pay is 60. Or you may just click pay all and click complete. So this is the receipt of the payment. Now let's go back. So let's go back to home page. And let's see if there's any outstanding payment. So in outstanding payment widget, there's no outstanding payment from the student. Hello, in this video I'm going to show you on how to do year-end process. Actually, cloning of class can be done throughout the whole year. I'm going to show you how. Okay, let's go to a transaction icon and search for a class. Okay, click show search form. And I have a class named Mathematics for Primary School. And that class is in January 2016. So I'm gonna click search. Okay, so this is the class that I'm talking about. It's Mathematics Primary School for Year 1. So I would like to clone this class throughout the year of 2016. It means that I want this class to be available from January 2016 until December 2016. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tick this checkbox and a box will appear and I'm gonna click generate whole year. So click OK. And now this class is now cloned throughout the whole year of 2016. So let's check randomly by just selecting any month. So I'm just gonna select July to see whether this class is available in this month. Click search. And it says, and it shows that this class is available. Let's see in another month. Click October and search again. And it appears in October period. So this is an option to clone a class throughout the year. And that is all you need to do for monthly process. Thank you.